Avoid common mistakes in email and letter writing. Hello, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're delving into the important world of email and letter writing. We'll specifically be addressing some of the common mistakes often made and how to avoid them. This knowledge is essential, as clear and professional written communication can be a major key to success, whether it's in the realm of academics or the professional world. Let's start with some general mistakes that are common in both email and letter writing. 1. Poor structure. The structure of your message should be logical and easy to follow. Always have a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. Avoid large blocks of text, break it up into smaller paragraphs to make it more readable. 2. Spelling and grammar mistakes. This seems obvious, but it's worth mentioning. Always proofread your emails and letters to catch any errors. Even a small typo can impact the way your message is perceived. 3. Using complex language. Keep your language simple and direct. Don't use big words or jargon unless it's necessary. Your goal is to communicate effectively, not to impress with your vocabulary. Moving on to email-specific mistakes. 1. Bad subject lines. The subject line is the first thing the recipient sees. Make sure it accurately represents the content of the email. 2. Ignoring email etiquette. Remember, always use a proper greeting and sign off. Avoid using all caps as it can come across as shouting. 3. Forgetting attachments. If you mention attachments in your email, double-check to ensure they're actually attached. Let's now look at common mistakes in traditional letter writing. 1. Incorrect addressing and formatting. Make sure you follow the correct format for addresses and dates. Messing these up can make your letter seem less professional. 2. Overlooking the salutation and complimentary close. Remember to begin with a respectful greeting, e.g., Dear Mr. Per Megasecond, Dr. Last Name, and end your letter with an appropriate sign-off, e.g., Yours sincerely, Best regards. In conclusion, while emails and letters have their own specific considerations, the overarching principles remain the same. Clarity, professionalism, and proper etiquette are the cornerstones of effective written communication. Keep practicing, avoid these common mistakes, and you'll be a master at email and letter writing in no time. Thanks for joining us in today's session, and we look forward to guiding you further on your journey to mastering the English language.